Imagine owning a property that not only appreciates in value over time, but also generates a steady stream of income every month. Welcome back to our Income Generation Strategies series. In our last episode, we explored building wealth through stocks and index funds. Today, we're diving into the world of rental properties, where I'll show you how to build wealth through real estate and turn your property into an income generation asset. A strategy that's created more millionaires than any other form of investing, whether you aspire to build a property empire or simply want to diversify your income streams. This episode is your blueprint for success. Real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth building for centuries. It offers two main benefits: appreciation and cash flow. Appreciation is the increase in property value over time. Historically, U.S. real estate has appreciated about 3 to 5% annually. Cash flow comes from rental income. When your rental income exceeds your expenses, you're generating positive cash flow. Real estate also offers tax benefits like deductions for mortgage interest and depreciation. In this episode, we'll focus on direct ownership through rental properties. This means buying a property and renting it out to tenants. While this approach requires more work and hands-on management, it offers greater control over your investment and the potential for significant returns. Let's dive deeper into rental property investing and explore how you can make this strategy work for you. Rental property investing involves purchasing a property and renting it out to tenants. Here's the basic process. 1. Purchase a property using your own money or a mortgage. 2. Prepare the property for tenants, ensuring it meets all legal requirements. 3. Find and screen tenants. 4. Collect rent and manage the property, including maintenance and repairs. 5. Pay expenses like mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. 6. The difference between your rental income and expenses is your cash flow. Over time, you benefit from both the rental income and the property's appreciation in value. The income potential from rental properties can be significant. Let's break it down. Monthly rental income depends on your local market. For example, a $200,000 property might rent for $1,500 to $2,000 per month. From this, subtract your monthly expenses, mortgage payment, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, budget about 1% of property value annually, property management fees if you use a service. Your cash flow is what's left. Aim for at least $200 per month per unit. Don't forget about appreciation. If your property increases in value by 3% annually, a $200,000 home would be worth $260,000 after 10 years. Rental properties come with challenges, but each has a solution. 1. High upfront costs. Consider house hacking or partnering with others. 2. Finding good tenants. Use thorough screening processes and background checks. 3. Maintenance and repairs. Build a network of reliable contractors or learn DIY skills. 4. Vacancies. Budget for periods without rental income and market your property effectively. 5. Legal issues. Familiarize yourself with landlord-tenant laws and consider landlord insurance. 6. Time commitment. Hire a property manager if you want a more hands-off approach. Here are some practical tips to succeed with rental properties. 1. Location is key. Research areas with strong rental demand and growth potential. 2. Start small. Consider a single-family home or duplex for your first property. 3. Use the 1% rule. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. 4. Build a team. Connect with a real estate agent, lender, attorney, and contractors. 5. Leverage technology. Use property management software to streamline operations. 6. Continually educate yourself. Stay updated on market trends and landlord best practices. 7. Plan for the long term. Real estate is typically a long-term investment strategy. Let's look at Sarah's story. She bought a duplex for $300,000 with a 20% down payment. She lives in one unit and rents out the other. Monthly rent, $1,500. Monthly expenses, $1,200, including mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Monthly cash flow, $300. After 5 years, her property appreciated to $350,000, and she's built $40,000 in equity through mortgage payments. Sarah's now looking to purchase her next property using the equity and cash flow from this one. Let's evaluate rental properties using our side hustle matrix. Difficulty to start, 4 out of 5 stars. It requires significant capital and knowledge. Difficulty to make $100 a month, 2 out of 5 stars. Once set up, making $100 a month is often achievable. Difficulty to maintain. 3 out of 5 stars. Regular effort is needed for management and maintenance. Overall, rental properties offer good income potential, but require more upfront work and ongoing management compared to some other strategies we've discussed. Let's recap. Rental properties offer appreciation and cash flow, but come with challenges like high upfront costs and ongoing management. Success requires research, starting small, and continuous learning. Ready to take action? Start by researching potential rental markets in your area and connecting with a real estate agent specializing in investment properties. Join us next time as we explore REITs, real estate investment trusts, a way to invest in real estate without the hassles of property management. Until then, keep learning and happy investing.